Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Microsoft launched KB5095093 as an optional preview, resolving various underlying problems in Windows 11 while introducing new tools and UI enhancements. Today, in this video, I will show how to install this latest update named KB5095093. This update improves the reliability of the Windows networking stack. It reduces bug checks, blue screen errors, related to Wi-Fi power and other issues. First, we will check the update in our official Windows Update channel. Open Settings go to the Windows Update tab and search for a new update. If there is no new update found, then you need to install it manually using the update package. The new Windows Update packages are available on the Microsoft Update Catalog websites. Open any browser and search for the tag KB5095093 and look for the link from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the link and you can see the KB5095093 update for both x64 and ARM-based processors. If you're using any Snapdragon-based PC, then download ARM-supported package. Otherwise, download the package for an x64 PC. Download the package. It will take up to half an hour to complete the download process. After completing the download, install the package and restart the system. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.